Hello everyone. Today let's see some delight sari. These are Kanchi delight saris. Kanchi saris on a budget basically, and they have a beautiful color combination. Like this one is in a pink, Rani pink with a turquoise green. So let's see. The sari all over has beautiful jari buttas, small oozy lines, small buttas on the body. Comes with a beautiful border and a very rich and pretty pallu. The sari comes with a contrast blouse. This is actually a blue and green color, green shade, which feels in a Kanchi silk sari from our delights category. Let's see some colors available. Beautiful red color with the same color combination on the pallu and on the blouse. Lovely color combination of a black with this turquoise color pallu and blouse. Wonderful, isn't it? This one is a beautiful pink, has small jari buttas, very pretty pallu and a contrast blouse.